Yeah, I just wanted to show you the mess that I have created. Stage 1 of cleaning up this old steamer trunk. I managed to, let me see if I can show you, to peel off carefully the original label imprinted on leather, which I took off, and I'm just gonna be putting it back on at some stage somewhere on the case once it's all cleaned up. So stage 1 is getting the paper off, and it's much worse than peeling off wallpaper from the wall, I can tell you. But hey, and then let's see what happens.
Good morning, everyone. We are here with Tomaz at the upcycling workshop, otherwise known as our living room. So the next step with the trunk, what's it called? A steamer trunk,
Yeah.
Isn't it? I'm not quite sure where that expression comes from. I'll have to look that up. I imagine it's because people used these when they traveled on the steamer ships across the Atlantic. It's just my guess, but I will check. So
I still have to do the back of this one, but I've finished the top. So this is the final look.
Very
basically.
good. So before we continue, I want to explain to everybody, please keep watching until the end of the video, because we're going to ask you a question and ask your opinion. And if you could put your opinion in the comments section, that would be really helpful, because we're a little bit stuck.
I'm in a dilemma.
Yeah.
Okay.
So go ahead, Tomaz.
Right. So the inside of this box was covered in paper, and I had to scrape it off. It was a big mess. There's a section of the video that you can show. So this is how it looks raw. Now, I would like to
That's a lot of
line it
Mm-hmm.
with some fabric.
Okay.
So really do some fabric lining. And this is some silk that I have. That's one option.
Okay, hold that up so the viewers at home can see. So we'd like you to vote or tell us which of these various options that you like. So this is, what color are we going to call this so that people can comment?
Purple.
Purple silk. Okay, so this is purple silk.
Or
blue. The other way around. Like a kind of, what is
like
that?
A curtain. I need to.
Lilac, what is
That's
that?
blue.
Blue, okay. Bluish, grey.
I don't know.
That's quite nice as well. So that was number 2. 1 and 2.
This is cream colored silk.
Cream coloured silk. Number 3.
Hang on a second.
Cream coloured silk. It's got a nice sheen to it as well. Cream coloured silk.
It's
Number
a bit
3.
boring, really.
Little bit. You said you wanted there to be a surprise
I
when
know.
people opened
But I'm still
the
sorry
box,
for the
right?
ones. Okay.
What's next?
Next is this red silk.
Oh, that's number 4. Red silk. That's very regal.
I think so far. No, I shouldn't influence anybody, but
You like that one.
I like it.
Okay,
But-
red silk.
Red silk.
And then
And
one
last
more option.
but not least is this.
Okay, this is number 5. This is
Velvet.
ooh, velvet.
Okay.
Velvet, kind of gold, shimmery velvet with letters on it. Okay, so everybody, if you could help us to decide by telling us which ones you like in the comments, we would be very grateful.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.